What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Wealth Giant Academy. Today is Friday, and Friday, April the 30th, and it's been a good week. It's been kind of up and down. A lot of earnings as far as the stock market is concerned. There's been some earnings with specifically NIO. I love NIO. I told y'all that, and listen, if y'all haven't bought NIO yet, please do. This company is going to double probably by the end of the year. Of course, I'm going to show y'all my portfolio. But first of all, before I even get off into this, if you haven't subscribed to this particular channel, please hit the subscription button and the notification bell, and also hit the like button, man, because I like it. Like I say, welcome back to the Wealth Giant Academy with me, your host, Enoch the Wealth Giant. And y'all know I'm here to talk about stocks. And in other videos, I talk about wholesaling and buying and flipping houses, real estate. This is what the Wealth Giant Academy is for, to teach these particular things: how to invest, how to properly make money, how to eventually make millions, and get off that corporate plantation that we're in. But today, I want to show y'all my portfolio. Like I say, I'm always transparent with my portfolio. So let's get into it. You know what I mean? Y'all know how we rock. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no secret. Um, hope y'all enjoying this Friday, man. I really hope y'all enjoying this Friday. In fact, what happened to my ain't gonna worry about it. Okay. We're not gonna even worry about it. So let me go into my account. Hopefully y'all can see this right now. Go to my positions. As of right now, the market closed in a little while. At this particular time, me making this video, is 241. So as of right now, man, y'all looking at the screen. This is my account. And I'm down, not bad, just 0.88%. It's equivalent of just $199.52. Not a big deal. That's some red today. Yesterday was good. I love yesterday. I had a beautiful day yesterday. A couple of days this week been good, man, especially with my option plays. And I know I told y'all we're going to get off into some option plays, and we are, because I do want my family to hit right. I want y'all to make money when the market is going good and when the market is going bad, because you can make money either way. It don't make no difference. And that's why we have to learn option trading and how to actually properly do option trading. For those of you that are on TD Ameritrade, TD Ameritrade has a beautiful mock practice platform that you can use before I get off into my portfolio, called Thinkorswim. So if you're on TD Ameritrade platform, then please use a Thinkorswim because it's nice. I'm also on webull too, webull, and I'm going to give y'all the link too, where y'all can actually go onto webull. Because I'm going to be an affiliate of webull, where I can actually go on the webull and get you some free stocks. Y'all use my link, use the Wealth Giant link. Y'all can go on webull and actually get some free stocks up to like $1,800. So that's another thing I'll be doing on this particular channel. Like I said, I'm on TD Ameritrade, but it's always good to have more than one platform. But I'm also on webull. I think webull is probably one of the best now, along with TD Ameritrade. But anyway, man, as y'all see, man, like I said, I'm down like 199 right now. Market closes at 4. Right now, I'm down 199.52, which ain't bad on the day, you know what I mean? But y'all see all the red. BINGO, ticker symbol BNGO, which is Bio Nano Genomics. I have like 500, I have like 555 stocks in this. Y'all can see my quantity. I'm still bullish on this particular stock. And this is what I tell y'all about having patience, especially for your long-term investor. If you're a short-term investor, then you still got to have patience, but you're in and out of plays just to make a quick buck, going to the next play. But for the long-term investor, plays like this, you want to be patient. And I'm telling you something, this is a great company. So I'm not going to try to sell. I don't give a damn how many days they're in the red. I'm not getting rid of my BNGO. Just certain stocks like that, even though it's a small stock, don't cost that much. I just have I have a bullish attitude towards the NGO. Apple, of course, Apple gonna always do what it's gonna do. I'm very bullish on this particular stock, Golden Nugget Online Gaming. Kids love this, man, just like Roblox. Oh, by the way, I want to update y'all. The other day, I actually sold my Roblox because I was doing so good. And the reason, let me give y'all the method to the madness. I gained on my Roblox, right? And I was telling y'all to get the roadblocks when they first come out, but I sold all my shares I had on and made a great gain. Why? Why did I do that? I did that so I can maneuver myself into other up and coming plays, other growth stocks, other dividend stocks. And sometimes you have to do that. Like I say, we don't fall in love with no particular stocks. Sometimes it's good if you see a good gain, 10% or more. What I mean? Some people say 20% or more. Get out of it, or basically secure your gains. Well, sometimes you do it at 8, 9, 10%. Long as you make a gain, any profit is good. I don't care what it is, especially if you can use that money. Because once you actually close a position and you sell off all your stocks in a position, then that money just going back into your dry powder amount. So then you can take that money and you see some new plays coming up and you feel it's going to double or triple. You take that money and that you just sold off from a good gain and put it in some new stuff. That's how you double up. That's how you become rich and wealthy in the stock market game. But like I say, certain plays, like I would never sell like my Apple to do something like that. I probably would unless it was I just made too much. But like my Coca-Cola stocks, as y'all see, I got Coca-Cola. I got all the good stocks I'm telling y'all about. I actually own them. Main Street Capital, love them. I own them. I even got Ford. Ford been down last couple of weeks, but I own Fords. I own some Ford Motor stock. And the reason I got off in the Ford Motor Company because EVs, they're getting off in the EVs just like Tesla and all these other things. EV is the thing of the future, electric vehicles. You ain't gonna be able to avoid that. It's gas engines eventually gonna be over with, probably in our lifetime. So EVs are important stocks to get in right now. And NIO, that's basically EV2. It's a Chinese company. Everybody over all the major companies over here are into NIO. What else? Other big companies. IRM, Iron Mountain. Not yeah, there you go. Iron Mountain Incorporated out of Delaware. Beautiful. This is a real estate company though. This is a REIT, as you can see, REIT. So this is a real estate investment. I'm a real estate investor, so of course I have to have some real estate in my portfolio. It'd be crazy for me not to. And they one of the top REITs on the market right now. Just look up REITs for those who are understand what a REIT is, just a real estate investment trust. Um, just look them up. Look up. Just Google. Just Google. Use your fingertips. Google best REITs to invest in. REIT, best growth REITs or best REITs on the market, and you'll see what I mean. RM gonna be in every list. Coca-Cola, of course, can't go wrong. I just told y'all about Golden Nugget Online. Bank of America, and like I always say, get you some finance companies. Bank of America ain't the only good one. You got JP Morgan. Some of them are more expensive. Bank of America right now is at $40.73. They've been down on the day 0.91%. Bank of America is a good financial to get. Citizens Trust. And there are other financials to get. I mean, you got certain financial like Cincinnati. You got certain banks that are not necessarily national that are great investments. You know what I mean? You can just go, it might be a bank that's just in a certain state, but this bank is doing real good. And the hedge fund guys might have it in their portfolio, what we call the whales. You know what I mean? They might have it in their portfolio. So you basically want to follow what these hedge fund guys and these hedge fund managers got in their portfolio. So a lot of these banks ain't necessarily national or big banks. They're just good banks, good financial institutions, and the hedge fund guys got them in their portfolio. So that means when you put stocks in this particular financial, it's going to grow automatically. So don't forget about your financials, not just EVs. So let me break it down at this particular time. EVs, something you need to put in your portfolios. Electric vehicle, anything dealing with EVs, stuff like charge point, uh, battery stations, all these things are great to put in your portfolio now. Financials, banks. I mean banks. Anything dealing with money, credit card companies, anything dealing with financials is great right now because the economy's finna pick back up. Uh, what I covered? I said EVs, banks. Oh, tech, Apple. Tech is always gonna be good. And you know what I always tell y'all about tech. Um, Apple is leading that charge though, but tech ain't going nowhere because the more we go in society as the years come, tech is getting better and better and better. Just an advancement of society. So make sure you put in your portfolio. Capital Southwest Corporation, that's finance. Apple, of course, is a tech. BNGO, you're dealing with basically medicine, science. Those are good things. Like these vaccine companies, you know, Things like that is going to always do good in your portfolio. Acer Technology, that's a tech company, real good. That number $8.31. And not only are they cheap right now, under $10, they have a great dividend. They pay out dividends. So get up on ticker symbol. You see the ticker symbol, ASX, which is Acer Technology Holding Company, LTD American Depository. In IDEX, of course, is another small, $2.96. IDEX is a good company that I think is going to double and probably triple within the next 12 months. And you see where it's sitting at, a share, only $2.96. Um, but look these companies up. Do your research. Don't just take my word for it. Because like I always say, I'm not your financial advisor, and that's why I leave this disclaimer on every video. I'm not your financial advisor. And these videos are particularly for entertainment and edutainment, what I call edutainment, because you get an education as well. But do your own D&D, your own due diligence, and just look these things up. Look it up and see what people like TipRanks say, which is one of my favorite besides Yahoo Finance. TipRanks, Yahoo Finance, Zacks.com. I always tell y'all, the same people I research, I'm telling y'all who I research. TipRanks, number at the top of the list. Seeking Alpha at the top of the list. Yahoo Finance at the top of the list. Zacks. Who else I use? Bar chart. So you got all these different people. I use Barron News. I use Bloomberg News. So all the people I'm using, the same people. And matter of fact, let me tell you something about TipRanks. TipRanks is one of my favorite because TipRanks, they have a free actual, of course, you can just sign up for them free and get certain information from their analysts. But they also have a premium, which is not that expensive, but you can actually pay for where they actually give you more and more information on what the whale's doing, what the whale's buying, or what their top analysts, think about this particular stock. So TipRank is good either for the free or the buy. I actually have a subscription that I pay for monthly, like 20 some dollars a month. It's worth it to me. But everybody ain't gonna invest the same way in what they believe in. But in my opinion, you should always invest in yourself and invest in more knowledge because that more investing that you're doing in knowledge is going to pay you off anyway. It's going to pay for whatever you spend out your pocket 4 and 5 times over. So that's just how I go, man. For those who did invest in Neo, Neo had his earnings last night, so it was kind of like a pullback after hours for those who were paying attention to Neo, ticker symbol NIO. But then y'all notice today Neo been pulling back up. Let me go back down here to my Neo. Y'all see right here, Neo is up now on the day 2.98%. So that means earnings must have been good because usually when you have a bad earnings report, that next day or that after hours, you're gonna drop hard. Like for example, those who was on that ZOM trains, Zomedica, y'all see what happens to Zomedica. They ain't pulled back up yet. When they pulled that stupid stunt that they pulled and actually went against their own word on their earnings call and they made these announcements, you see what happened to them and they ain't been back yet. So usually, like I say, earnings, that tells the story. So NIO is doing pretty good. Neo is doing pretty good. I was over in Yahoo News. I think they was talking about. Well, I just told y'all what they were saying about Neo. So basically, I mean, um, just get in, man. Make sure y'all get in the market. And like I say, do your own D&D. I'm not your financial advisor, man. I'm just a wealth giant trying to help y'all get off this corporate plantation, man. You know what I mean? And we got to do it through the stock market and through investing in real estate. Those are the number 2 ways to get wealth in this country and in any country, and it always have been, basically. Any country with a real democracy, anyway. But that's the way, and the only 2 ways to really get wealthy and create generational wealth for your family, man, through the stock market and through real estate, not through working or getting a check. Like I say, income alone by itself is not gonna do nothing for you. It's not gonna get you wealthy. You have to have passive income. You have to have um, different ways to make money, and it's simple as that, man. And like I say, it's Friday, April 30th. Next week I'm gonna come with some. I'm definitely gotta come with some option plays for y'all to play. Um, show y'all how to get off in the option plays. Like I say, those of you that are already on TD Ameritrade, just go to Thinkorswim. Thinkorswim got plenty of videos to show you They got a mock. You like you use fake money, show you how how to actually do your puts, do your strikes on your options. They explain to you what a call is, what a put is. Explain to you striking strikes, how to get out of these calls, how to get out of puts. Uh, it just gives you the whole option game, like the whole 360. Um, so if you got TD Ameritrade, but if not, man, there's other YouTube, other places, other lot of different stock sharks on YouTube showing you how to do option plays. I'm talking about free information. Uh, so that's what I'll be bringing to y'all soon too, though. So, but I see y'all, man, later on this weekend or Monday, man. I'm Wealth Giant.